Alright guys, today we'll be installing the Noble intercooler guard on the VB chassis WRX. I like this because it's kind of subtle and has a nice WRX lettering on it, and it looks kind of like an OEM part. It has some weight to it, feels high quality. It is metal, most likely steel. It has some tape on here to keep the bolt from punching through the box during shipping. The WRX intercooler is obviously top mounted, so I think a chance of a rock or something hitting the intercooler this high up is pretty low, but I think this has more of a cosmetic value. As you can see, all the hardware is ready to attach. The installation is going to be very simple. This aluminum bracket is just going to clamp onto the side of the intercooler. So this thing is going to add about 3 pounds and 3 ounces up high on the vehicle, so it's definitely not ideal if you're trying to build a track car. First off, we need a 10mm wrench. Here is a ratcheting 10mm gear wrench. Those ratcheting wrenches are incredible. The brand I got is from Gear Wrench. I'll put a link down in the description in case you guys want to check it out. We'll need to loosen the hand tighten knob on both sides so we have enough clearance to slide the intercooler flange right in between. Just slide the aluminum bracket that's on the guard outward, and then slide it under the side lip of the intercooler. Once it's on there, just tighten the side knobs. I do like that the hardware comes with a locking washer and a locking nut, so this is going to keep the nuts and bolts from coming loose during operation. Now we just gotta tighten up that locking nut at the end on both sides, and we're all set. I love this ratcheting gear wrenches. Again, the link is down in the description. I just love the look of this thing. It's not too flashy. The mesh grid is pretty big, so it shouldn't restrict the airflow too much. Feels very sturdy. Again guys, thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. I'll have a lot more VBWX videos coming up. Take care.